Greetings from Belgrade, Serbia. My name is Ivana and I am an experimental chemist at the Institute for Chemistry, University of Belgrade. Today I will talk briefly about how to set up an experiment and how to choose your research topic. In many things, these two are pretty much the same. You can consider your research project as one big experiment that consists of many small experiments. At first point, you need to choose the topic of your research project. And maybe the most important criteria of how to choose the topic is its relevance. It is important that your topic is relevant and that is interesting for a scientific community. Then, when you are trying to setting up your experiments, you have to do an exhaustive literature search to see whether there are other similar research projects and experiments, whether there are scientists who try to achieve what you want to achieve or something similar. You will usually find something similar, and then you can use and try to use their methods to achieve what you want to achieve and to set up your experiment. Sometimes the methods from literature work, but sometimes your experiment is a little bit different and you have to modify the methods that you find in literature. So you have to optimize them, change some things, and if you're lucky enough, you will have good result of your experiment. At the end, when you have completed your experiments, you can publish the results. But the important thing here is if you used methods from literature as they are, or you modify them, you need to mention these sources in your own paper. Now I will tell you one example of relevance of topic for research project that you can see today, and that is actual, and that is something that is currently happening. It is connected to the coronavirus epidemic, and you can see how many scientists are trying to develop different treatments for this virus disease. The most relevant one, let's say, is the development of the vaccines and the development of medications. Majority of scientific community is devoted to development of new vaccines rather than the medication. Why is that? Well, because vaccines can be and will be, if we are lucky enough, applicable to people who are not infected yet, in order to stop the possible infections. And the medications are applied to people who are already infected and have some severe disease symptoms. So if you compare the number of people without the disease and with the disease, definitely it's a larger number of people without disease. So more vaccines will be more useful. Therefore, scientific community is devoted to that. You can add there this financial moment. More vaccines means more money also for pharmaceutical companies. So money also plays a big role when you choose your research topic. So I wish you all good luck, and I wish you all to choose a good research topic for your future research, and see you